y'all. It is Tuesday, July 7th, 2020. I'm Lindsay Duff. This is Responsible Day Trading. I feel like I'm about to miss out on something, so we're going to come back to things here in just a moment. That's the best I can do right there. Okay. It's not the best spot for this wrist to be, but man, the way things are behaving, we're expecting this to push down. See if it pulls back and touches it. There we go. The only one saying not yet. This says more down. This says more down. This says more down. Yeah. It's right there. It's not following through yet. We'll go ahead and take this one out. I'm going to go ahead and take one out. And then I'm going to let it do its thing. There we go. And it just held out for so long. I'm hitting close with the white BBs here. Pulling into the next area, potential reversal bar. This may just keep knocking down. But it held out so long here. When it does take off, it's usually going to be a big one, right? That may be all I do today. So let's go ahead and bring up this daily chart that I didn't talk about earlier because I had a pretty good inclination. Now, the daily chart's also another reason that thinking that the short may happen. It's pulled up to this area. It's showing some major retracement divergence. And I had this pulled back here because I wanted to look at what the real look of this would be, which is the pullback. You can see this has a lot more strength than if we have this all in sight. And I've talked about it before. If we take those big swings out, we can see what the MACDs are really trying to tell us, okay? So sometimes we have to make a few adjustments to that just to be able to see that a little more clearly. Now, retracement divergence doesn't mean an entire change of the trend. So even if it pulls back into here, I may be expecting it to push up still. It just means that it's got a decent possibility for a pullback, right? When you come back over here and look at the possibilities for where I could have left my risk, it still would have pulled back and hit it. So I know it is what it is. It's probably going to go down a little bit further. I'm not going to be a part of it. I'm only 22 minutes in. I'm probably going to go ahead and call it a day. If we look at what we got here, 275, 175, 1.5, and 6.5. So, yeah. Okay. All right, so we're going to call that a day. 2 trades, 12 points, about 25 minutes into my day. So I did take a peek at it this morning, but I've been spending a lot of my morning times just catching up on things that I've been behind on, because, that will affect the way I trade when I'm thinking about all kinds of other things. I've had some headaches going on lately. I'm not sure why. I think it may have to do with my glasses, honestly. So I haven't been wearing them a lot lately. I've just been getting a lot of headaches all through here. And I'm not a headache person, so it's kind of annoying. That is going to wrap it up, guys. Right now we have a 30% discount, lifetime discount on UProfit Trader. So be sure you come and check that out. I am going to try and do tomorrow, may be hard, but I'm going to try and trade tomorrow. I want to try and get 2 days in a row in, so we shall see. I'm actually not going to be able to trade up here tomorrow. I'm going to be downstairs because it's a day that my space gets cleaned. So I will be down there doing that. If not, then I'll wait till my space is cleared and I'll come upstairs. No, I'll stay downstairs. I'll just try and get it done in the morning. We shall see. We shall see. Anyway, it goes. There's still a couple days left in the week. We got Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, right? So, no complaints there. Feeling pretty good about my foot. I got a doctor's appointment on Friday. I have between 3 and 5 weeks before they pop those pins or out of my foot. And I am so ready because I want to start moving. I want to start doing some things. I want to be able to walk up and down the stairs. I can hop down the stairs now, one hop at a time. But I still got to climb up them. So that's not very much fun. And, oh man, what's this? What is this? That is things that you didn't expect to happen after 40 for 500, Alex. Thank you. Anyways, guys, we're going to go ahead and wrap that up. So I hope everybody has a fabulous Tuesday. Eat tacos galore because it is Taco Tuesday. And as always, guys, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side.